Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to make wele stew or cow skin stew with plain rice. So let's get started. So I have my cow skin that I have washed thoroughly, and I'm adding warm water in addition with onions, salt, garlic, ginger, chili pepper, stock cube, curry powder and nutmeg. So I'll let it cook for 20 minutes, then I'll set it aside and then place another saucepan with vegetable oil so that I can make my stew. So I'm adding everything at a go. I have garlic, ginger, curry powder, green chili pepper, onion, salt. And in this water I have added some salt that is in preparation to boil my rice. So now that the onions are fried, I have just added my tomato paste and I'll stir it well so that it gets combined. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and also share my videos. And to my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back. Now I have just added some fish into my stew and my water is boiling, so I'll just add some washed rice into it. Give it a stir and then cover it and allow it to cook. Wele stew is so nice to eat with plain rice, banku, kinky, and a whole lot. So at this point, I'm adding green, yellow, and red bell pepper to my stew. This will give it color and flavor. The color I mean is that you can see it's making it to look so colorful. After 2 minutes, I'm just going to add my cow skin into my stew and I'll just stir it for it to get combined with the stew. Please leave your comments in the comment section. I'll also list all ingredients used in the description box below so that you can check it out. So at this point, I just checked on my rice and it's completely cooked. And my stew too is done, so I have just turned off the flame. It is now time for me to serve the rice so that I'll enjoy it with my family. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video and I'll be glad to hear from you after you have made yours. Hope to see you next time. Bye.